Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your TikTok ads to target rich people and to target people that can actually afford your expensive products and services. It's very straightforward, so I'm going to be showing you step by step in this video. Before I get into the video, feel free to subscribe and also like the video as well. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to target rich people using TikTok ads. It's very straightforward, guys. Very, very straightforward. And by the way, yeah, just letting you guys know that you can use leads or website conversions, but for the sake of this video, I'm using website conversions. I'm using website conversions for the sake of this video. As you can see right here, we are in the TikTok Ads Manager, right? Very few people are talking about this. So guys, make sure that you pay attention. And then you want to click on website conversions. Then once you do that, you then scroll down and then you can put in your campaign name right here. You can put in your campaign name, sales, more money, rich people. I'm just writing this down just as an example, yeah. Then you want to scroll down and then you simply want to go to continue. So you want to click here to go to the next stage because we're now at the campaign level. This is the ad group level and this is the ad level. Then once you've done that, you click continue right here. Now, once you get here, you want to basically select complete payment, for example. So this is if you want to try, you're trying to get sales or something like that. So obviously you choose your pixel and you choose your optimization event. This is very, very important. Then instead of doing automatic placement, you want to select placement right here. And then you want to untick these two. I never really go for these, to be honest with you. I just choose TikTok. That's literally it, right? But one thing you want to ensure, you want to make sure that it says includes search results. If you want your ads to show up in search results, you need to have this turned on, not turned off, because TikTok is a search engine now. So if you're advertising you're selling hair bundles or hair weaves, or if you're selling makeup or lip gloss, and someone types into TikTok the best lip gloss, the best hair weaves, the best wigs, your ad shows up, your brand shows up. So this is TikTok's way of leaning more into them being essentially being used as a great place for content, but also a search engine for people to get reviews, product ideas, to get product inspiration, and as well as knowing what is trendy to buy and what not to buy. So you want to select this. Then scroll down and then here you want to put in your audience, right? You want to choose the age, you can choose the gender, but here's something very important right here. Now this is how you target people who are rich or have the money to be able to afford your products. Because everyone talks about TikTok, it's expensive, or the people who are on the app, it's all kids, they can't afford the products. That's false. There's a lot of businesses on there that are making really good money, but it all comes down to your targeting. First of all, with the age, you don't want your ads to be targeting showing your ads to be 13 to 17-year-olds and 18 to 24-year-olds. They won't be able to afford your products, especially if you're selling a product that's $70 or £70 and above. You want to target the age groups that have the spending power. Believe it or not, there are 45-year-olds on TikTok. There are 40-year-olds on TikTok. There are 50, 55 plus year olds on TikTok. There are. And they actually have the money. That's one thing. But to target people who can afford your expensive products, you want to select high spending power. And right here, this is important. Right here, it says household income. A lot of people miss this out. They just do all the targeting and they just go to audience and then they're done. But that's why it's very important to pay attention to every step as you're building out your campaigns. You want to click here where it says household income. Then you want to click all, and here you go. top 5%, top 10%, top 10 to 25%, top 25 to 50%. Literally, these are the audiences that have the money to be able to afford your expensive products or services. And this is exactly the same way that Facebook does it. So on Facebook, you can also target high income earners as well, but they also do it in the same exact style as well. So if you want to ensure that you're targeting people that can afford your products, you just basically just select. And you don't have to select one, you can select all of them. And here you go, done. And then you build out the rest of your ad, and then you're pretty much good to go. But if you want to ensure that, you want to test it individually, then you can just put one or two in here. It's totally up to you. Also, another thing to bear in mind is that here at the top, it says audience, available audience is narrow. That's one thing to bear in mind. This is going to be a lot smaller because the people that can afford your products, especially people that can afford, I don't know, a £500 or $500 product or $200 product. There's not going to be loads of them. There's going to be a few who are on the platform, but they're there and they can be targeted with your ads. So guys, this is how you do it. And once you do that, you click continue, and then you can build out the rest of your campaign. It's very, very straightforward, but I wanted to show you this so that to make you guys aware and let you know that, look, these settings are available to help you get more results for your TikTok ads. We're living in a time where we have to be platform agnostic. We have to be on more than one platform when it comes to doing our paid ads. It's not just Facebook ads. It's also Google. It's also TikTok ads. We have to be on other platforms as well because our audience are on other platforms as well. So that's very important to remember. So guys, this is how you do it. So for any of you who need any one-to-one help, click the link in the description. If you need help with your Facebook ads, your TikTok ads, Instagram ads, click the link in the description and I'll be more than happy to help. I do one-on-ones. You can check out the reviews. I've helped so many businesses. Also, another thing is that if you would like help with running your Facebook ads and running your Instagram ads, if you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have the time, I don't have the energy, I just want someone to take care of it and do it for me, I can do that for you. All you got to do is click the link in the description and I'll be there to help you. So guys, as you know, I'll be back with another video to help you in your business and in your marketing. Take care.